Do you want to create charts that automatically highlight the highest achiever itself? With the best part that you don't need to have any coding expertise for it. So let's create it. Let's assume that we have these list of countries where we are selling. So let's produce some random sales number for these, and for that we are going to use the rand between function equal to rand between, and the range can be from 5,000 to 100,000. So now copy it to the rest of the cells and we have some sales number. Now the next part is that to pick the highest sales revenue, and we know that these can change over time, so we want it to be dynamic. We are going to use the combination of max and if function, and we'll ask that it only produces the number when it is the highest one, otherwise it should not produce a number. So the logic will be equal to if the sales revenue is greater than or equal to the max of the range. So we are going to select the complete range of sales revenue for all the countries. Press F4 to lock it, bracket close, comma. If this is the case, then we should get the number, otherwise it should return 0. Now copy it to the rest of the cells and we can see that it has automatically picked the highest number. Now click anywhere in this area, go to insert and insert a horizontal bar chart. Let's do some modification before moving on. Go to the chart design and we are going to select the last design, which is a 3D chart. It is looking much better. Now let's do some modification, remove the x-axis, and we are going to make the chart title a bit logical one, like we can name it as sales revenue. Now we also do not need these grid lines. Right click on the sales revenue bars, click on format data series and this will appear. Let me drag it to the center. And for the series overlap, we are going to set it to 100% because we want only one series to appear. And for the gap width, let's reduce it to 50% so that the bars are more visible. Now the chart is complete, but we want to make it more beautiful and compatible with the overall theme of the dashboard. So we can change the color of bars and of the highest bar as well. So our chart is complete now. Let's see if it is working fine because the rand between is going to produce new numbers and if is going to pick the new highest number. So it's working fine. Let us go to format and remove the outline of the chart because now we are going to make it compatible with the dashboard. For that we are going to insert a shape and place it at the back of this chart. So this is a rounded corner rectangle. Draw it and reduce the corner size rounding as per your liking. Now format the shape, go to the shape format and remove the outline, and we are also going to change the fill to make it compatible with the dashboard theme. So this time it is the lightest gray shade, and we are also going to give a shadow to it so it looks much better. We are done with it. Let's place it at the back of the dashboard. And now click on the chart and we are going to remove the fill of the chart as well. So chart is now ready. You can play with the numbers and it is going to give you the highest number each time. Hi, I'm Salim Heather and you're watching Querinfer. Subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from these tips.